In today's video, we will take out the rear door panel for 2024 Audi A4. We will be needing a Torx 25 bit or a Torx 25 screwdriver to take a screw out, which is right underneath the handle, right there. Screw is out. Now we will use a plastic trim remover tool to take out a plastic cover which is right underneath the speaker. Once the edge of it is pulled out, now we will slightly pull the complete plastic piece all the way till the end until it completely comes out. We will have to wiggle back and forth until we take this out. Once the plastic piece is out, notice underneath the speaker there is one screw that we will take out. And right underneath the handle is a final screw that we will be taking out. Both the screws are out. Now we will use the same trim remover tool and punch it underneath the door panel from the pillar side to slightly pull the door liner. Once this side is pulled, now you can slightly pull the complete bottom part of the door panel. From the upper side, just lift the door panel upwards and you will notice the door liner coming apart. We'll take out a yellow color harness which is for the door handle. Then take out a green wired plug for the speaker. Then take out two more plugs. For the first one, slide the red tab outwards and then pull the plug out. The second one is a straightforward plug. Just press and hold the tab and pull the plug outwards. All the plugs are taken out. With that, we are done with the takeout process. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.